Hello friend, welcome back to my channel, Prasad Tech channel. Today I am going to explain about MongoDB. Why you are using MongoDB nowadays, more familiar and more demands on nowadays. How you can use MongoDB. Okay, so first of all we have to think, these are having like a Oracle, SQL and NoSQL. What is the difference between SQL and NoSQL? SQL is structured query language. NoSQL is not only structured query language. MongoDB is a NoSQL database management system that can manage a humongous amount of data, and it's becoming increasingly popular. It is favored by many big tech companies. Unlike relational database management system, MongoDB uses a NoSQL format to store and retrieve data. NoSQL means not only structured query language. It's where data is stored in various formats beside traditional SQL table, rather than storing our data in rows and columns. We store related data as a single document. Think of each document as a single row and a table in SQL. A document is a group of field value pairs to represent an object. A collection is a group of one or more documents, and a database is a group of one or more collection. Working with scaling our database like really easy. Before we begin, there are few prerequisites for this series. We'll be working with the document objects, and for joining, we are like cracking our head in SQL database. But here it is very simple. So now we'll start discuss about our MongoDB. It's nothing about a NoSQL. Yeah. So before going to start our MongoDB, so there, first of all we'll go through the installation steps in MongoDB. Then we'll start our programming. So let's start. Okay. First of all, we can go, there is a MongoDB Size. From there you can click on product, this product, and here we can collect one minute, sorry, we can collect from resources. Yeah, you can go to the resources, then launch MongoDB. Here we can go to the MongoDB manual. From here is given the installations steps, and if you have a installation like a current installation MongoDB, so there is having, based on the OS, we have a different installation steps. So right now I'm using Mac OS, so I'm going through the Mac OS, and here is the steps, so we can follow. So already I know down what has to do. So first of all, you have to download this tgz file. Okay, so you can download from here MongoDB download center. Okay, I will go back here, so it will be easy. It will open in new tab. So here is the community version of MongoDB, and you can download here. First you can select packages. Here you can select Mac OS, what is the version, and download. So I'm clicking download. This start downloading. Okay, so nothing but already I downloaded. So you can see here in the download folder, and this is the jar file, and I'm just trying to open this tg jar file. Oh, just clicking, double click here itself. Okay, so it's say open now. Now you can see here is a bin folder. Inside bin there is a 3 files like a MongoDB install Compass. So those 3 files, what we have to do, we have to place one for your local folder. This is the folder. You can give the path of the folder, like if you are using Mac OS, so like a user local and inside bin, user local bin. Here you can paste those files. MongoDB. What are the files are there? MongoDB install Compass. So these 3 files we can paste here. So I also write here the path of storing files. I'm writing here the open these files, download from this is the URL also I'm adding here. It will be easy. This is I am saying about Mac OS. Similarly you can do for Windows, that also I will tell you. Now I will go for Mac OS. So this is that. Okay, so after placing here, and okay, after that, after pasting there, so we have write the commands to start already. Now for open MongoDB, this one, extract and copy files like Mongod and install underscore Compass. And paste those files inside folder path I'm just writing here. User local bin. Okay, so inside this you can paste it. So after that there is okay, this is the steps, it's done. After that, suppose if you don't have install Brio, so for that we have to install Brio. So I'll go here. So this is the thing you have to use for Brio. First Xcode install you have to do it. So we can do it here. Xcode installation. Then install home Brio. Because you have to do so for any other installation of softwares. Then take update, then install MongoDB, if you will not install Brio, then we cannot install like a Brio install MongoDB commit. So before starting this one, you have to install this Brio, home Brio, then Xcode. For getting Brio command, so we have to use Xcode. So these are the things has to follow. Next, so after that I just noted down here. So after installations we need to start the service. So for that you can keep here start the service. Then in the final stage, so after the start the service you have to run, you have to go your specific folder and where you want to do it. So you have to go to that. I just created one MongoDB folder, in desktop. And from terminal we have to go to the folder MongoDB and run the Brio command. Okay. So this is the overall thing, installation of macOS. And for okay, this is for Mac OS. Now next we'll go for Windows installations. Similarly, you have to download the database center, and you can just follow these very easy steps. You can follow like this. Okay. And yeah, and another thing, once this is done, means like that, for graphical user you have to use here in MongoDB. You can show you, and this product, you can install Compass, so you can download. So here is the version. You have to select the version, and here you have to select whether it is a Windows is there, and the Mac OS is there. I'm just taking Mac OS 64-bit. Okay, so now I can download. Now it's downloading. Downloaded. Just trying to open. Now I'm opening. There is a green folder. Just click this one. It's open. It's asking for installation. I already installed. Okay, let it be 1.101. Yeah, I think this is the one, not that one. Yeah, it's correct. This one, while installing, your security setting only allow installation of apps, App Store. Okay, so maybe I change the zip only, so why it is not allowing so platform Mac OS. Okay, and so I think this is a .zip file it is coming. MongoDB shell, MongoDB Compass download, we have to do it. MongoDB Compass download, then so you can download MongoDB Compass. Yeah, so if you click on this, it will open like this. You can place these two applications. It will place here. So it's saying that already I installed. That's why it's saying that you want to keep or not. So no, I'll stop it. Okay, so this is the GUI installation, MongoDB Compass. Okay, so how will the screen of MongoDB Compass? You are able to see there is a leaf, it is coming in the bottom. So you click here, we can see here are these things. So now I don't have, means I am not connected to any database. So then what I have to go, I said some steps. What is the steps? So already I installed, I need to start the service. So for the starting the service, what I have to do, I just Brio service start. Nothing much more, paste it, and I can do it here. See, now successfully started MongoDB. So now it's started. And if you want to connect from here, you can connect also. You can go here and we can paste. So this, now here you can check how many DBs are there. So DBs 5 DBs are there. Okay, this is the one way, and we started here. Now another thing is Visual Studio Code. So from the Visual Studio Code, here you can type MongoDB, and I already installed, so it will come install. Already installed, that's why it is coming. Otherwise you can install it, it will not come. This is from Visual Studio. Okay, so in that I clear all. Okay, so again I'm going new terminal, goes to the terminal. Now already my application start, I'll go directly to this string, and you can start here, Okay, so these things are coming, so you can remove these things. Okay, enter. Now here also it's ready. You can check show DBs. Now I can check. Now next is this one, Compass. Now I can got it, I can refresh it, so you can able to see these are the database, right? This is for Compass, you see. And suppose if you want to create a new database also, you can create like a ABCD. I'm just creating one employee database. Employee database, like a okay, employee organization, employee org. Okay, now one collection I am adding. I put all caps, employee. So database is nothing but a collection of list of collections, and collection nothing but a list of documents. Okay, so I created an employee database. Let's see. Yes. Now what are that in this, suppose if you want to add some data, just insert a document, just adding here. This is not required. yacht twenty return department number, salary 20,000. Okay. Now from here this one here. Okay, I think this is the error only because this curly braces is given to this particular ID. I'm creating here. Name, okay, now I will done. We can insert it. Okay, now you can see in this employee document employee one records is there, right? So how many records? Only one records are there. Okay, so now let's take. So that we'll go for Compass. So first you can do in terminal. It will be easy to remember. Then we'll go for other things. Okay. Now we created. Now I can check how many data are there. So DBS. There admin config local MongoDB playground DB school. So now I want to drop database, drop school. What problem? Is because db dot drop database. Okay, so we have to bracket. Then test is dropped. Now so dbs, how many databases are there? Employee, org, admin, config, local, MongoDB. What will do? Use MongoDB Visual Studio Playground. I am copying here and pasting. So now we can do it. So now we switch to MongoDB VS Code Playground DB. Now this also I am dropping. So what is the syntax? db dot drop database in the bracket close. Now this is also deleted. Now if you want to see the database, so DBS. So now what other things are there? School is there, local is there, config is there, admin is there. Now we'll use school. Now we'll drop db dot drop database. Okay, close. Now school also drop. So then what have to do? So DBS. So how many things are showing? Now 4 databases are there. Now what command you got it? Use DBS. So DBS. Then if you want to drop the database, db dot drop database. So these are the things. Now okay, now this also I will drop now. How now I pause it. You just tell me how to drop the employee org database. Okay, so db dot drop database, then it will drop school. So we first what have to use employee org. So now I am using employee org. You want to drop db dot drop database. So it is dropped now. Then how many databases is there? So DBS. Now only 3 databases. If you check here also, we'll check how many databases are there. We'll refresh it. So only 3 databases showing. What are those? Admin, config, and local. Okay. Now we'll go to this place. So we'll create, and suppose now I'm using no there is only 3 databases, right? Admin, config, and local. I'll use employee org. So already on DB employee org is there. Why it's showing? Because we have used like this, so that's the reason it's showing already this is there. Already I am using employee org database, but okay, so we use admin. Then for the confirmation I'm just doing here. Now we switch to admin. So TBS that we deleted, you can say like that it is deleted. Then how it is coming here is showing that already on DB employee org is there. So then we can check here now. So we can see now, right? It is only 3, means that employee org database is not there. Not there, show? No. Why it is not showing? Because there is no collection in the database. Okay, so what I will do, we will create one database. Use employee org. So DBS, still it's not showing, right? So now we can create db dot, now new command, just remember it, create collection bracket start. I'm just creating employee is a collection inside the employee org database. So now enter. Okay, now we can check. So DBS able to see, right? Employee org database inside show DBS. So there is one more command we got it. What is that? We created one employee table, and okay, now we'll go for what we'll do now. So now we'll insert one record. So there is a one command, insert. If you are inserting single record, then you have to take insert one. How we can write that, I am just explaining here. db dot, now we created collection. What is the collection? Employee. So I am putting here employee, db dot employee, then we will insert one in the bracket start. What will insert? So we will put curly brace, then name. Yeah, here it is not like that much sensitive. You can write like that, name. Raj. Then whatever you can, department number, $20, and salary 20,000. 20,000 bracket close, bracket close, curly brace close, enter. Now you can see how many records are there. db dot employee dot find. So you can able to see, right? Object ID, this one, that is created automatically. Then name Raj, department number 20, salary 20,000. Okay, so now we'll create another record. Okay, I paused here. You can start. Write one employee based on your name. Okay, so now I can start. So what is this? db dot the table name, employee, employee. So, okay, so for the test, case sensitive or not. Okay, just for putting find, it's nursing, that means it's a case sensitive. So then db dot employee dot insert one bracket start curly brace name colon double quote. You can give also single quote, not an issue. Just putting Prasad single quote close, department number, between department number I'll put 40, salary 20,000. how much I can give? 30,000. Just close, enter. So acknowledge true, created. Now we want to check how many records are there inside employee table. db dot employee dot find. We can check. So one record is Raj, another record is Prasad. So there is two records has been created. This is an example of single row, single record insert inside a table, inside a documents, or inside a collection. Inside a collection you added one document. So like that, if you want to insert multiple records, how can you do? So for that, what I'll try to do, I open VS Studio and just removing this one. What I'll do, I'll create, what is the steps? db dot then collection employee dot, for single record we are writing insert one, for multiple record insert many. So from here bracket start. Okay, so we have done the bracket, and multiple records we have to store in array. So because you are inserting multiple records, so that's the reason we are putting array. So first insert one, what you used to do, and the curly braces we are putting, and there we are passing the data, right? So similarly here we can do it. So I am passing here name, and name, what I'll give, just tell me. Krishna, then what are the things? Department number 20, salary 50,000. Okay, so this is the one element inside an array. So like that we will create multiples elements, right? So you can put here, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this department is done. So I'll put here 30, here I'll put 40, here I'll put 50. So 50,000, 40,000, 30,000, 60,000. So name I'll give Rajesh Murgesh Kashi. Okay, So this, okay, so now what I'll do, we'll take this and copy. You can do paste here, then enter. What it is saying, DB employees insert many is not a function. That means it's a mistake on spelling. I have written insert, but it should be insert. Insert many. Now let's see. I'll try copy, paste, enter. Yes, it's inserted 4 records, so it is identified 0, 1, 2, 3. Now I can see, check how many records are there. DB, how you can check? DB dot, what is that collection name? Employee dot, to get all the records, what you have to do? Find, then bracket close, enter. Yay! You can see like 20, 40, Raj, Prasad, Krishna, Rajesh, Murgesh, Kasi. So this many names, this many employees are there in employee table. Okay, so now next, so here what you will learn here, if you want to insert single record, insert one. If you want to insert multiple record, insert many. So now next we will go for, so these are the things. Okay, now we'll go for types of data. So you have seen, right, data types. So you might have used in Java, C++, Oracle, in all places there is having the data types, right? So now we'll go one by one. Now I'm removing this. Now it's not an array, because if we'll record, I'll insert 1. So I'm putting 1. Then this bracket I remove, but curly braces should be there, right? So department number, salary, and this comma also not required. You can do it next line. Okay, so please tell me what could be the data type of this name fields. It's a string data types, and also we can define like a string data type inside this, which you are more habituated with, that you can use it. So that is not bothering about that. So I am habituated with double quote. I am putting there double quote. Okay, now tell the what is the data type of department number. This is a string data type. Okay, so what is the data type of this one? You can say integer data type. So this also you can say also long data type. Okay, or double you can say. Okay, now next what will give height percentage. I'll put like this small hike first. So here it will take, I'll give some 30% hike, means 35%, so 0.35. So it's a decimal data type. Okay, and if you want to is promoted true is a Boolean data type. Next, joining date, not input, put new date. So new date, it will take the date data type, and if you are writing here new date, then it will be so current date. It will take current date of EST. Okay, EST nothing but EST, Eastern Standard Time. Okay, and if you want to put like a date, I want my date like this, so I want to insert like this format, like a 2023 hyphen 07 hyphen like 14 T, then 00 00 colon 00 colon 00. Okay, so this will display the date in this format. Okay, so this is done. Okay, now next, if you want to see putting like a manager name, currently there is no manager for this person, so I'm putting null, so we can pass null value to the field. And next, so is what are that projects, which projects is working right now. We can put like a suppose is involved in multiple projects, so you can put like project A, project B, project C. So these are the project involved. Okay. Now if you want to display like a nested documents, so what I have to do, address, so in that we can put one more documents. So HR house number 14A, street, I'll put small letter, HR number, street, Black Street, Black Street, zip code, state, can say Tamil Nadu, India. So from here you can get it, address, house number, street, like a collection is a document, is a collection of documents. So like that we have created one object. So now we will try to insert those, removing this, removing this, removing this, and this. So here we learn data types of fields. So this curly starts, I get two curly braces. Okay, so this is for this. Okay, so I will copy this and here you can run. If you want to run here also, but our database is okay, you can run here also. So dbs use employee org. So dbs, okay, first we'll check what other records are there right here. So how to check it, db dot What is the table? Employee dot find. See, this is there, right? These are the records are there, documents are there. So we are going to insert in this employee collection. Pasting here, paste. What happened? It was shown some error. Unexpected token somewhere it's showing. Let's see. Okay, so here I missed, forget, so comma. Okay, line. Now let's try. Copy. Paste. Enter. Yes, it's created. So you can check how db dot employee dot find. Is it? So better we'll go here where our display still it's showing 3. Let it refresh. Got it. So now you'll see employees only showing 1 record. How? There is so many records, right? Employees. Okay, so what we can do it, you can open the tab. So yes, you can see, right? Address, project. So these are the project, address. So this is the thing. Okay, then we'll take some break. We'll connect next. Thank you for watching my channel, and if you are getting any helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. We'll see in the next video the remaining part of in MongoDB. So yeah, thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.